Are you ready to elevate your virtual meetings in 2024? Google Meet has rolled out exciting new features that can transform how you connect with colleagues and friends, from improved collaboration tools to enhanced security options. There is so much to explore. In this guide, we will walk you through everything you need to know to make the most of Google Meet, ensuring your video calls are engaging and productive. Don't let outdated methods hold you back. Let's dive in and revolutionize your online communication. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Meet. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into meet.google.com. You can also click over here and you select Google Meet like that. So as you can see, here we have various things. I will show you how it works with Google Meet. So firstly, what is Google Meet? Google Meet is a video conferencing platform by Google designed for hosting virtual meetings and webinars. Its purpose is to enhance communication and collaboration, enabling users to connect seamlessly from anywhere. With features like screen sharing and real-time captions, it supports both personal and professional interactions. In a digital world, Google Meet is essential for fostering teamwork and maintaining relationships remotely. So here we have in the homepage video calls and meeting you for everyone. Connect, collaborate, and celebrate from anywhere with Google Meet. So to get started, all I have to do is just click over here. Then you have just to click over new meeting, or you can just enter a code or link. So once you do that, you will find here create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, and we have schedule and Google Calendar. So let's click over the first one. Once you do that, you will find here send this to people you want to meet with. Be sure to save it so you can use it later too. Then you click over again your meeting. We have your start and send meeting. So once you click over here, you will find this page. So as you can see here, we have do you want people to see and hear you in the meeting. You can turn off your microphone and camera anytime you want. So I'll click off allow. Then you'll find this page. As you can see here, we have the mic, and also we have the camera, and also this is it, as you can see. So here we have your meetings ready, and you have just to add others or share this meeting link with others you want on the meetings. People who use this meeting link must get your permission before they can join. Then you click over got it. We have here more options like change layout, full screen, open picture in picture, apply visual effects, turn captions, report a problem, report abuse, and we have troubleshooting and help, and we have your settings. And here we have the mic. As you can see, you can just meet is blocked from using your microphone. You have to turn on microphone here, and I will check click of permission needed here. As you can see, you can just go to the settings and modify it. Then also it's the same with the camera here, and we have also here turn on caption, send a reaction, and we have it present now, raise hand also, and we have here more options. And here we have people, as you can see. Then we have here also chat with everyone, activities, host controls, and we have meetings details here. Here we have join info, and as you can see, this is how it works with this one. Let's come back into the home page. Here we have also other options, like if you click over new meeting, then I will click over schedule Google Calendar. Then you will find other page, which is this one. As you can see, here we have the home page. This page, as you can see, we have here you add a title here, and then you choose also the time. For example, here we have 8 You can choose the time that you want. Then we have two, as you can see. Then you choose also here. And we have also the date here, and you select all day. Here you choose also if you want all day, or also you have just to select here daily, weekly on Friday, or monthly on the first Friday, annually on October 4, or every weekday here, and you have your custom. Once you leave your custom requirements, you'll find here repeat every 1 week and you write how much. For example, around 6 weeks, you have repeat on Saturday, Monday, and here we have if you want on, after, and you click over done. Then we have here also event details, like here we have add location, notification also, and we have here add notification if you want, if you are also busy, free, or we have a default visibility, and you add a description here. Then also we have your guest, add guest here. Then you have here guest permissions, modify event, or you can also invite others, see guest list. Then also here we have find a time, as you can see. You choose if it's a day or all guests. You select also all day, and then you click over save once you're done with that. Once you're done, you click over discard, and let's come back. But we have also here we select the data we want, and also here we have other things. For example, you select this day, then you write all the information at Google Meet video conferencing, and you choose the time and the day, and also how much day of the week and other things. Then you click over save. Here we have also other information like try premium Google Meet features, enjoy longer group calls and more with a 1 month trial of a Google One premium plan. Then we have here host longer group calls, live stream to YouTube, and we have here capture and share recordings. Then we have eliminate background noise, get a link you can share, and we have your plan ahead. Your meeting is safe. Try premium Google Meet features, and we have here. That's it. So this is how it works with Google Meet. You can just get started. So Google Meet is an essential tool for seamless virtual communication, whether for work, education, or socializing. Its intuitive features enhance collaboration and engagement, making meetings more productive. By following the simple steps, you can easily navigate the platform and make the most of your online interactions on Google Meet to elevate your virtual experiences. So this is how it works with Google Meet, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.